We're about to head over to the tire shop and get these brand new sticky boys on. I went with these because these were pretty budget friendly, and I've seen some good reviews on these. My boy Ethan recommended these, my boy Billy. So got these brand new. We got our wheels, our Race 57DR. They were originally semi-gloss black, but I got them powder coated in Spanish gold. This shit is fire. Yes, sir. All right, guys, this is my new setup for 2025. We got some Rays 57DRs. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 38. And then the tires we went with are some Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s. See if you can see that there. But yeah, this is a pretty beefy tire. This is the 255 35 by 18. This should hold up really well for the track this year and for everything that we got going on. So let's get these mounted up on the car. I do have a brand new set of a new valve stem cap. These are from Chasing J's. So we're gonna get these on, get rid of these. Let's go ahead and get the car in the garage. We'll get a nice cold start. Let's get to it. All right, we got the car in the garage. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse and we're gonna get these wheels on and check them out. All right, let's get the car down. Let's get a first reaction of it. Let's see. Sheesh. They look really fucking good. Oh shit. It's literally the vision I wanted. Oh, all right, let's do the other side. All right, guys, we just got the wheels on. They look super good. These things are hub centric, so you are gonna need hub centric rings for these. Look at that. These tires are fucking meaty. Fitment is perfect. All right, before we pull the car out, let's throw on the Chasing J's titanium valve stem caps. Let's do it. Ooh, that shit's nasty. Oh man, that shit's fire. Let's get the rest of them on. Right, so we got the rest of the valve caps on. I don't know how much the GoPro's gonna get it, but it looks really good. Oh man, that shit's nasty. I am working with JD Customs on a little one-of-one project. You guys will see that coming soon, but it is something for the wheels. And of course it's titanium. It's that last one right there. Let's get the car pulled out and see what it looks like. Guys, I can't be more excited about this setup. This is literally my dream STI setup right here. Race 57DRs in gold, well, Spanish gold and World Rally Blue STI. This is where it's at right here, guys. This is my dream car right here. Look at that. Again, a touch of titanium right there. Oh man, this shit is sick. I hope you guys are as hype as I am. I'm ready to be outside. I'm ready to be back at the shows, back at the track. And with these new tires, we're definitely gonna hit our goal this year. Oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna get some B-roll, throw that in, and